In this video, we will continue our look at graphing polar equations. And again, these two are going to be relatively straightforward. We'll see the more complicated examples in a future video. As I mentioned in the past, sometimes working with the polar equation is easier. Sometimes it's actually necessary. And sometimes converting the polar back into a rectangular equation is actually going to be easier. And that's what we'll see here. Looking at this first example, we have r sine theta equals 2. Remember that r sine theta is really y. R sine theta is y. So in this case, we have y equals 2. That's just a horizontal line through the y-intercept of 2. Notice there's no x, it's just y equals 2. So x can be anything. X can be 1, the y would be 2. X can be 2, the y would be 2, and so on. If x is 3, y is 2. No matter what x is, the y value is 2. In this example, we have r cosine theta equals negative 2. And recall that r cosine theta is simply x. So we can replace r cosine theta with x. X equals negative 2. Notice we don't see y in this case, it's just x equals negative 2. That's going to be a vertical line through the x-intercept of negative 2. So again, converting these two into their equivalent rectangular form is a little bit easier to see and graph as compared to looking at their polar form.